Hello, and welcome to my class. In this lecture, I'd like to talk about calculating the average. Calculating the average is a very useful tool in general. Let's say you're in business and you want to know the average number of customers. Or you're moving into a new area and you want to know the average household income or the average amount of rainfall in your new area. In any given situation, calculating the average is a useful tool for summarizing large sets of data. But we're going to start out small for the sake of simplicity. So let's say we have to find the average of 21, 15, and 33. So we have three terms, 21, 15, and 33. So that means we're going to have to divide by 3. We have to now add up the sum of 21, 15, and 33. So let's do that. 21 plus 15 plus 33. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is going to be 9. And then we have 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 and 3 is 6. So the sum is going to be 69, and we have to divide that by 3. So 3 times 2 is going to be 6. In other words, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 3 times 3 is going to be 9. So 9 divided by 3 is going to be 3. And therefore, the average is going to be 23. For this problem, we have to find the average of 16, 36, 48, and 24. And if you notice, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So that means we're going to divide by 4. So now we have to find the sum. So we're going to add 16 plus 36 plus 48 plus 24. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. I'm going to put the 4 down, and I'm going to carry the 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So the sum would be 124. So now we have to divide our sum, 124, by the number of terms, which is 4. So we have 124 divided by 4. So 4 goes into 12 how many times? In other words, 4 times what is 12? That's right, I thought I heard it back there. It will be 3. And 4 goes into 4 how many times? In other words, 4 times what is 4? That's correct, 1. So the average would be 31. In this example, we have to find the average of 36, 6, 72, 54, 12, and 60. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. That means we're going to be dividing by 6. And so what do we have to divide by 6? That's right, it's going to be the sum of these terms. So 36 plus 6 plus 72 plus 54 plus 12 plus 60. So 6 and 6 is going to be 12. 12 plus 2 is going to be 14. 14 plus 4 is going to be 18. 18 plus 2 is going to be 20. So I'm going to put the 0 down, and I'm going to carry the 2. So 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. 5 plus 0 is just going to be 5. 7 and 5 is going to be 12. 12 and 5 is going to be 17. 17 and 1 is going to be 18. 18 plus 6 is going to be 24. So therefore my sum is going to be 240. And I have to divide 240 by 6. And this will give us our average. So 6 times what gives you 24? Or 24 divided by 6 is what? That's right, it's going to be 4, because 4 times 6 is 24. And then we just have the 0 at the end. So 0 divided by 6 is just going to be 0. So our answer is going to be 40. That would be the average. Alrighty, in this example, we have to find the average of 25, 55, 65, 80, and 90. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, which means we're going to have to divide by what? That's right, you got it. It's going to be 5. So now we have to find the sum. So we're going to add 25 plus 55 plus 65 plus 80 plus 90. So 5 plus 5 is going to be 10. 10 plus 5 is going to be 15. I'm going to put the 5 down, and I'm going to carry the 1. So now we have 1 plus 2, which is 3. 3 plus 5 is going to be 8. 8 plus 6 is going to be 14. 14 plus 8 is going to be 22. 22 plus 9 is going to be 31. So therefore, the sum is going to be 315. And so we have to take 315 and divide it by 5 to get our average. So 5 can't be divided by 3, or you can't divide 3 by 5. And so you have to look at 31. So 5 goes into 31 how many times? That's right, it's going to go in 6 times. And you're going to have 1 left over. And so 5 goes into 15 how many times? In other words, 5 times what is going to be 15? That's right, it's going to be 3. And therefore, the average is going to be 63.